Hello, I'm Carla Calabrese,
And I'm Lee Budner. We're partners at Calabrese Budner, a family law firm in Dallas, Texas.
and this is Dallas Divorce Talk.
One really important topic when it comes to working through a divorce is making sure that the spending on attorney's fees remains reasonable and under control. Now, I have a lot of clients who want to conserve money on attorney's fees, be cost conscious, but at the same time have the desire to escalate a lot of issues and ask an attorney to spend money and time on those issues. And I think one of the things you want to look for in a lawyer is someone who can protect you against some of your worst instincts. Right? You want a lawyer who's able to help you perform a cost benefit analysis, assess whether taking a certain route, escalating a certain issue is something that's in your best interest, or if it's something that you're simply throwing good money after bad. And, I'm in court all the time as a family lawyer, and I cannot tell you how many times I go into a hearing where I see parties spending thousands on attorney's fees on an issue that relates to recovering a few thousand that they claim their spouse may owe them. And at a certain point, yes, you want to advocate for your rights, what you're entitled to, but you don't want to just multiply the spending and throw good money after bad.
Yeah.
And I see that happen all
So
the
it's
time.
like common sense, right? I mean, you should have more control. You can control and have more control over the spending in your case. You know your spouse best. You know what's going to set them off, what's not going to set them off. If certain hearings are being set and it doesn't really make a lot of sense as to why you're doing it, or you're sending certain discovery questions. Or you're filing for, I knew a lawyer that would file like abuse charges in every case pretty much. And, many times there weren't any at all. So you can control your fees by realizing you're the client and you're the one who's directing the lawyer to a certain extent to try to get your goals and your objectives accomplished in a case. That's one way to kind of keep your fees more reasonable.
And another thing, as lawyers and in the context of divorce case, one of our central objectives is to make sure our client gets as much money at the end of the case as they can, right? To maximize the value in terms of either a trial or a settlement of the community estate. And if a lawyer's objective is to do that, but at the same time, they're not conscious of and counseling their client on the spending of attorney's fees, then you're working on dividing something that you're simultaneously chipping away at.
Yeah.
So I try to help clients understand, and we both do, that sometimes there are issues that you simply have to let be, not devote attorney's fees for them, so that you can pick your battles and make your money work for you and work towards accomplishing your objectives when it comes to spending attorney's fees.
If you would like to talk more about your family law matter, please call us at 214-939-3000 or visit us at calabresebudner.com to schedule a consultation.
For more episodes, visit us at dallasdivorcetalk.com, like and subscribe.